Hello guys, today I will be teaching you how to convert hexadecimal into binary. I am going to teach you uh, a very easy method to convert hexadecimal into a binary. First of all, you need to learn that what's hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means 16. So in this case, we have to change it into binary, which means base 2 numbers. Binary is basically base 2 numbers which are 0 and 1. Binary cannot be 1 and 10 or 1 and 8 and 0 or 1 or 0. Sorry, 0 and 1 are binary, but besides 0 and 1, no other number can be considered as binary. Because only 0 and 1 are the only numbers that are mainly uh, acknowledged by the well-known computers and CPUs, as you know. So in hexadecimal, counting starts from 0 and goes till 9. It means that if you want to write 10, you will not write it as 10 in hexa. If the examiner asks you in the exam that write 10 in hexadecimal, you will not be writing just 10 right away. You have to write A, as I am telling you that in hexadecimal counting numbers goes from 0 to 9, and after 9 A B C alphabet starts till F, and A means 10, B means 11, C means 13, and so on till F. Okay, so and F means 15, as I told you earlier. So if the examiners ask you to write 1 second, let me just get on my pen. Okay, I am ready. So if the examiner asks you that you will be needing to write 13, so you will not be writing directly 13 like this. You will be writing D. If he says you to write in hexadecimal, if he says you to write 13, just write 13 right away. If he says you to write 13 in hexadecimal, you will not be writing 13, you will be writing D. Okay, so let me move on to the next slide. Now, to solve these type of questions, first of all you need to learn the key. The key is 4 twos. You need to write 4 twos on a paper, and you have to give the 4 twos some powers, like first to 0, second to 1, third to 2, and fourth to 3. As you know about these powers, as you have heard about them in maths, if you multiply 2 by 0 it will be 1, and if you multiply 2 by 1 it will be 2, and so on. If you multiply 2 by 3 it will be 8. Okay, it's that simple and easy. So next concept is that every hexa number contains 4 binary bits. Like if I wrote D in hexadecimal, as I told you earlier, if in maths computer papers it's written D, uh, so you will be understanding that it's a hexadecimal number. So D is a hexadecimal here. So the concept is that this number contains 4 binary numbers. Like it will not be written just like straight away 13 in computer language or binary. You say that it will not be written 13. It will be written like something like 0 1 0 and 1, or it can be written as 1 0 1 0. Okay, it's that simple. But you will not be writing like you write just write 13. The concept is that as I told you that every hexa number contains 4 binary numbers. So uh, we we have to move towards our first question. The first question is 60. In 60, I am going to tell you how to solve the question. First two questions, first A and C part, then you have to do B and D for yourself. To solve the A part, you have to write like I will tell you in a easier way. Okay, you have to write A 6, and as you know, D means 13. Okay, you have to write 13.